Now you come back if you need more murder accessories.
And pick up your slice.
This one is full of used pink polos. Totally vital. Sweaty pink polos. What's in here? A Rasta hacky sack. This whole bag for a hacky sack? Yeah, totally vital. What is so damn vital in here? Almond-scented hand cream. Oh, I see. Gotta keep your hands soft in the apocalypse. Huh, there's one. That was easy.
Backpack is mine, Preppy!
Get back here! Don't you make me chase you down!
Find your keepers! Get it out!
Wow, this thing is heavy. What's in here? A foot spa. Kids have textbooks these days.
What's that? You want this backpack I found? Quid pro quo, treasure hunter. I've got an infestation here. You'll only OD in my junkyard, and the bag is yours.
Thought for sure they'd murder you good. Well, if anything, I'm a man of my word. Come get the backpack.
Ugh, this thing reeks. It's packed with tons of used body spray cans. Wow, never seen so many flavors. Midnight Prowler, Midnight Panther, Midnight Jungle Cat Panther. Well, I guess I better get these back to the Oxfords.
So bored. This freaking sucks.
Our vitals, yay! You didn't have any trouble, did you?
Nah, typical quest stuff. Bad guys, bad trees, junkyard side quests. Enjoy that foot spa.
Coad Jack at your service.
So bored. This freaking...
That's Dirk. His mom is an award-winning physicist, and his dad is an astronaut. He's really good with aerodynamics.
Aerodynamics. How convenient.
He's also a health nut. He only drinks like the most expensive water on the planet.
Bora Bora water. You can't afford it.
There's a bottling plant a few blocks away. If you can bring back a couple bottles for him...
Wait a sec. You're telling me that the only thing that will make this guy get off his ass is some brand name bottled water?
You don't know him like I do.
I don't want to know him like you do.
Trust me, once we give him what he wants, he'll help make your propeller.
You need some money, and I'll give you a fortune.
Oh God, the place is flooded. Guess if I want that precious Bora Bora water, I'm gonna have to drain out this nasty stuff first.
Warning. Contamination detected. Facility offline. Awaiting activation of emergency flush system.
Time to flush this factory-sized toilet.
Emergency flush system activated. Just kidding. Obstruction detected. Pressure level critical. Release safety valves to prevent complete and utter disaster.
Gotta open those safety valves. Now I just need to jump on that red thing.
Obstruction cleared. But you're not done yet. Baby steps. Another emergency flush system is awaiting activation.
I need to find a valve that'll flush all this garbage away.
Emergency flush system number 2 awaiting activation. cleared. You are familiar with the Rule of 3, correct? Emergency flush system number 3, awaiting activation.
Where are they all coming from?
Emergency flush system offline until you figure out where those ODs are coming from.
Hey, automated intercom lady. I could do with a little less sarcasm, okay?
You can dish it out, but you can't take it, huh?
Oh, screw you! A dumpster OD that spawns even more OD?
Science is awesome.
Took out the trash.
No, wait, I got another one.
What a waste of waste.
No, I can do better than that. That was just a bunch of rubbish. How too British.
Please, stop.
Yeah, okay, sorry.
Final flush system valve awaiting activation. Emergency flush system complete. Facility online. Delicious, fresh, vitamin-enhanced Bora Bora water now available for delivery. My work here is done. I'm out, bitches.
Time to grab that water and get out of here.
Better get this back to what's-his-face. Hope it doesn't kill him.
Whoa! Look at all those OD! Why are you guys following me? Whoa! Hey, assholes! It's just... I gotta get in
yours.
You did it! I mean, not that I had any doubt that you would. Wait here. Hey, Dirk, I got something I think you might like.
Sick. Ah, fuck, that's good. Purest water on Earth. Ah, thanks, Sam. You rock.
Yeah, sure. Anytime.
So, can I get that propeller now?
Soon. Dirk will certainly help, but we need to get a couple other people on board.
If you don't buy a fortune, you'll be sorry. Prepare to be amazed. Remember, all my fortunes are true to the best of my ability as a computer simulation. Best investment all day. We want to make your life better.
Hey there, good looking. The name's Reginald. I'm what you'd call a hobo, vagabond, mobile survivor. Friends call me Red Caboose Reggie, on behalf of my potent chili stew. I've got a bit of an issue with this here train. As I'm sure you noticed, it's not going anywhere. I need some new digs. You think you could procure the train engine over in yonder yard?
You guys aren't kidding around. Yeah, nice one. I'm gonna die. I'm not ready. Bam! I win.
All right, she's released. I dubbed this engine the Chili Con Reggie Express. You think you could escort this steamy can out of the station?
For you, Reggie, anything. This thing go any faster?
The Chili Con Reggie is hobo friendly. You might get some hop-ons.
Hey, where are you going with our train, you bum? I thought we told you to clear out!
I'm a hobo, not a bum. Big difference. You're a dead man! Let's show these stew burners how to catch the westbound. Stay close to the train and keep them off old Chili Reg. More panhandlers! Keep off the train! Better get on the old express. It's getting hotter than a bowl of my chili up there. That shit's hot. Life is like a bowl of chili. Tracks are blocked. Help a hobo out, will you? Hurry up and clear those tracks. All right, now jump back on the train. Ramming speed. Aha! First track on the right, straight on till morning. Woo-hoo-hoo! We made it. Perfect place to put together a hobo jungle. No one around to stop old Reg from cooking. If only some of my hobo buds were still around to join me. Well, at least you can come back and see me sometime. Thanks for the kindness, friend.
freaking sucks.
That's Margaret. She's an engineering major with like the highest GPA in the history of the school. But she lost her dog when everything went down, and she hasn't been the same since. Finding that dog will go a long way to helping her depression.
Hey, whatever gets me that propeller.
There's a dog park across the river that she always went to. I would check there first.
I have the most incredible
Hey
news.
there! Wanna know what
What do you call that look? Hoochie chic?
Attention, player! You earn badges from playing with style. The more stylish you are, the more badges you will earn. When you earn enough badges, trade them in for overdrives. Overdrives give you boosts in your abilities. They're awesome! You can now unlock your first overdrive. Select the empty slot to equip a new overdrive. Want to unlock more overdrives? You gotta earn some badges first. You unlock and equip overdrives in the character page. Play how you want, and you'll get better at the things you enjoy.
Nice!
The dog park is over in Little Tokyo. You'll have to cross the North Bridge to get there.
The bridge! No, I can just jump across on these boats.
Boats? Ugh, yikes. Open water scares me.
It's just a river, Sam. It's not the Bermuda Triangle.
Hey, the Bermuda Triangle is no laughing matter. Hundreds of ships lost, thousands claimed by the sea. Not only is it a hotbed for tropical storms and magnetic anomalies, but I am pretty sure I read about alien abductions and leftover technologies from Atlantis causing ultrasonic...
Sam, I found the dog.
You did?
No, I just wanted to save the world from the rest of your story.
Just call me when you find the dog.
Weird dog. Come here, Pooch. What's your name? Boo Boo? Come on, Boo Boo. Margaret's looking for you. What the fucking fuck? Hey, Sam, did you maybe forget some of the details about Margaret's robo-dog? The thing won't follow me back.
He must be in some kind of recovery mode. If it doesn't recognize the voice trying to command it, it will only interact with its favorite toy, Cutie Kitty. Listen, there's a toy store pretty close to you. Just try looking there for the kitty launcher, okay?
Or you could just tell Margaret her dog is dead.
That dog means a lot to her.
Fine. Oh, wait, Sam. The dog is following me now.
Oh, great.
Oh, no, it just committed suicide. Sorry, mission failed. What's next?
Just check the toy store before giving up, okay?
But giving up is my special move. Stupid dog.
Hey, look what I found!
That's my Cutie Kitty. Better work, Sam. And I better get my propeller.
Don't worry. Just bring that back to the dog.
Okay, dog, got something you might like. Please work, please. Yeah, you like playing fetch? You want me to throw this thing for you? How can I make this fun for me too? How about... Yeah. Hey, Sam, I got this stupid dog excited. Now, how do I reboot it?
Not the best news to break to you, but Margaret has to do that here.
Of course she does.
Just try to get used to how he moves. You have a long trek back.
Yeah, thanks for the reminder. Go get it!
So, while the dog's in recovery mode, he'll only go places he recognizes. But Margaret always walked Boo Boo over the North Bridge. Try luring him there.
Who got that kitty? Who did? Who got the kitty, Winnie?
One other thing. You can't use your guns. The dog will sense you as a threat and kill you.
Well, at least this will all be over.
Don't worry, the dog will defend you as long as you have the Cutie Kitty. Try him out. It's actually pretty cool.
Okay, dog. Sam says you're a killing machine. Let's see if you can kill some OD for me. Ah, not gonna lie, that was pretty cool. Let's do this, Pooch. Good boy. All right, Pooch. Let's see if you can make this jump. Go get it! Okay, where did Margaret walk the dog next? Hopefully it's a place with more things to kill in it.
Down to the intersection, and then down the main street to Sasquatch and Friends.
Yeah.
That's the one who killed Eddie and took his Cutie Kitty!
Gonna die, bitch! Shit. Let's rock and roll, Pooch! Go get it! Die is the best thing that... More gas! Go get it! Sorry, just doing my job.
You're so close. Just get back to Sasquatch.
Holy shit! Hey, Sam, if I die protecting a fake dog, I'm gonna be pissed.
Not sure who's protecting who at this point.
Keep talking. I'm gonna shoot a cat on you.
Just hurry.
It's you and me, dog. Let's do this!
There's too many OD outside. You're gonna need to clear them out before we can open the doors.
Boo-boo. Finish him. Which button is negotiate? Very murder. Much death. So corpses. Hey, buddy. See you in hell. You get. Oh, and I'm gonna die. Son of a... One atomic dogfight coming right up. You get. Area clear.
All right. I'm opening up the doors.
Boo! I missed you, too. Thank you, Sam. You're the best.
Sure, anytime. Yeah, really nice work, Sam.
Okay, we need to convince just one more person to help. Then we can start building your propeller.
That is a tasty
Max is the math whiz at Oxford West. If anyone can calculate a propeller for optimal lift, it's him. I think he's worried about his parents. Maybe you could go check on them.
Over here. Look into the future. Prepare to be amazed.
I have a real beauty I might be willing to part with for the right price. That is handcrafted ammo, so try to make it last, okay?
Dude! Charge up this weapon and throw a strike every time! Come on, abide! There she blows! Harpoon your enemies, and then attract other OD addicts with a pool of overcharge! Sprinklers take on a new function in the apocalypse. Fill them with corrosive acid, and watch enemies melt when they walk through them. Freeze your enemies in their tracks with this bomb that releases a freezing mist in a small radius!
Now stay on your toes. There's some very strange shit out there.
tasty beverage.
Max's parents live in the penthouse suite of the tallest tower. Those Fizco execs make a lot of money, you know.
Well, there might be a product recall on their latest drink. I'm just saying, I'm sure that can't help the stock price.
You'd think, right? But nobody on the outside knows yet. Most of their stockholders probably think everything is running smoothly.
With perhaps the exception of Max's parents.
Correct. They're probably dead. But there is a chance they made it into their panic room.
Oh, of course they have a panic room. I had an entire panic apartment. It just looked like my normal apartment, but with boarded up windows and me inside, panicking. Isn't there a chance Max's parents turned into OD when everybody else did?
It's possible. Be careful when you open that panic room door.
Fair point.
Yeah, I'm here at the Fancy Town Tower. Could have given me a heads up that this place was crawling with scabs.
How would I know? I'm practically a shut-in after horror night. Although, it makes sense. Once you secure the bottom floor, you have all that living space above you.
I need to get high. If only I could find a way to get to the higher floors, is what I meant. This'll work. I just need to find something to hook onto and I can make my own way up there. Thank you very much. Dead end. What's happening? Scab loot. Nice. Thanks, Scab. Your fiery, explosive ragdoll death pleased my senses. That barricade doesn't look too solid. That's Scab ingenuity for you. Sure I can bring it down somehow.
Hey, Sunset City, drink Overcharge. It's refreshing and tasty, and it makes you happy, like me. Everybody else is drinking Overcharge. Why aren't you?
Out of my way, pigeons! I'm awesome! Will somebody please cast me in a Gymkhana remake?
You know what building climbers need? Oxygen! Guess what? Overcharge has carbon dioxide bubbles!
Thank you for not making me start at the bottom. Fly, pigeons, fly! A puzzling puzzle.
Hey, you're killing a lot of people! Don't worry, I won't tell, as long as you drink some overcharge!
It burns!
You can kill those guys a lot faster if you drank some overcharge! Just saying!
I am a master assassin of barricades.
This is our turf! Who the fuck is this? Time for some extreme violence!
Ever a stab.
I just talked to your doctor. Bad news, you're gonna die! Unless you drink some overcharge right now!
Hey, Scabs, I'm coming for you! I should have announced myself. Practice makes perfect. Let's try again.
Just making me angry!
Okay, time to check the panic room. Please don't make me find some weird sex stuff. Voice recorder. Max his parents' dying words? Let's find out.
Security breached.
Oh, shit. Look at all the loot! Gotta listen to that voice recording before I head back. Max needs to know what happened to his parents. Can't leave without that voice recorder. That voice recorder's gotta be around here somewhere. That voice recorder's gotta be around here Found it!
Max, if you're hearing this message, then it means you're still alive. Shame. Your mother and I are going to live in the Bahamas. We're cashing out your trust fund so Mommy can drink a lot of champagne and Daddy doesn't have to get a new job. Anyway, best of luck. By the way, have you tried drinking our new overcharged drink yet? I think you'd like it.
Well, at least the dickbag left a message. Max is now poor and an orphan. We should probably just tell him his parents were skeletons in a bathtub.
Just get back. We'll figure out the least worst thing to tell him.
So, Sam, you're sure your friends are going to listen to you now?
Sure. Thanks to you, they think I did all this great stuff for them. You're sort of a modern-day Cyrano de Bergerac.
I have no idea what that means.
Well, of course I'm referencing the play, not the real Cyrano.
Whatever. I'll be whoever you need me to be, as long as I get that propeller.
Well, his parents are still alive, but they're major assholes. Stole his money and left him for dead.
Yeah. I'll break the news.
Yes! Freedom! Thanks, Sam. Best news ever!
So, Sam, you expect us to believe you went out and did all this stuff by yourself? I think you had a little help.
Who gives a shit what you think? You guys just sit on your asses all day while this hero goes out into the city, all to get you a bunch of useless shit so you can be happy. I don't know about you, but that inspires me. Makes me want to be a hero to this hero. I know we can do it. Together. We're gonna have to work hard.
Sam forgot one thing. If you don't help him, I'll throw your ass out on the street to fend for yourself.
I'm on board with this.
Hey, let's get to work.
Cool speech. I'm ready.
What is it?
It's a 3D printer. It's gonna make you a new propeller.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, I know. But it needs a faster processor.
Of course it does. I'll see what I can find.